Disclaimer. Anything and all rights in this video are owned by EXEWXR. Anything said in this video is not to intend to hurt anyone, and there may be some Episode 1, The Plot. This user on YouTube and Discord have been known of harassing and being rude, mean, / doing really weird stuff. This user is Iron Balloons, Highway, and EAS Red Colors. They are two internet YouTubers who make videos on the intent to harass people. We tried to report these issues to YouTube multiple times. YouTube has done nothing. And it just came out recently that a user by the name of WeatherPro EAS could have had something to do with it. WeatherPro EAS is a 13-year-old with 160 subscribers at the time of making this video. He may lose, he may gain subscribers. We have no idea. But after being exposed of deleting people's videos, he has not since uploaded, and he has also come out to be a pedophile. So after all those accusations have been made against him, he's not uploaded a video since. We do not know when he'll upload another video, and when he'll upload another video. But keep your eyes peeled, and we would not recommend you adding him. This concludes episode 1, The Plot.